Hi, my name is Junior Bonilla. I go to Fallsburg Junior Senior High School, and the reason I decided to come to the construction trades was because I've done construction my whole life and I wanted to further my education in it. I've learned how to work safer, how to cut things easier, and how to do more stuff with different types of machines that I've never used before, like a chop saw, a panel saw, a planer. It's a lot, and it teaches you how to use things safely. One thing that helped me a lot in this program was getting into the apprenticeship program. My first plan was going into college until I went on a trip to the Union Hall, and the guys there, the environment there, it's just a good place. It's where you want to be at for a job site, and it helped me get my career straightened up. I have a plan, my future is straight, and I just want to further my education in it, so it's something I really enjoy. If you're on the fence of thinking of coming to BOCES and it's something that you really want to look into it, just risk it. You have a lot of opportunities here. You get to think about your career. You learn skills as well, so if you ever want to take a different path, you can, and it just helps you with the real world.
My name is Alexander Crusetta, and I go to Fallsburg. The reason I came to the electrical program was because since I was little, I wanted to become an electrician because I thought it was pretty cool. Some of the things I learned is that you can wire stuff up and it can be safe at the same time while you are learning and how to build on your skills. I'm glad I came to the program because I feel like this is honing in on certain skills that I need to know to be successful in the electrical trade. What I want to do after I graduate from the electrical program at BOCES is I either want to get straight into the union and start working, or I want to go to a lineman school in Kingston that'll teach me how to be a lineman.
Hi, I'm Aubrey Jett. I came to Sullivan County BOCES for the welding program to have more of a hands-on type of learning. On the behalf of being a woman, it is good to be able to learn how to weld because there's different types that you can learn, like fabrication and doing stuff with art and just being able to weld stuff in general, and being able to do that yourself is just a good thing to learn and have in your life.
My name is Landon Boyd. I'm from Sullivan West, and I came to the Career and Tech Center to learn how to weld and do a hands-on skill. I'm really glad I came to Sullivan County BOCES because even if I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing after high school, welding gives me a lot of options on if I want to do that or something else. At least I could fall back on it. If anybody out there is on the verge of wanting to do this program, I would say don't hesitate, just go for it because it's a really great experience and you will not regret it.